And welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix network problem in Windows 11 and how you can reset the entire network on Windows 11. So if you keep facing some kind of network and internet problem on your Windows 11 computer, then what you can do, there are certain command and method through which you can reset the network setting. So what you have to do first, on your Windows 11 search box, you have to click on it, type CMD. You will be getting the command prompt, right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, the black window will be coming up. Now here the first command that you have to type, that will be ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit enter. Now this will be flushing the DNS caches, so if there is any problem with the DNS, it will be fixed. The next command is netsh winsock reset. Then you have to hit on enter. Now this all command, you will be getting the description. You can also copy and paste here. Now the third command will be netsh int ip reset. Hit enter again. Now the last command is netsh int ip version 4 reset log.txt. Hit enter again, and now it will ask you to restart the computer, but we have to do some more steps, and then finally you have to restart the computer. Now you can close this box. Again, click on the search box and type here inetcpl.cpl. hit on enter. The internet properties box will be up. Now here you have to go to the advanced section, and then you have to click on restore advanced setting, and then from the top end menu only you have to click on connections, then click on LAN settings, and make sure that it's not been set to use automatic configuration script, and use a proxy server for your LAN has not been checked. Okay, then click on OK. Then you have to click on the content tab from the top end menu and click here clear SSL state. Then click on OK. And then finally click on the security tab and click here reset all zone to default level. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Again, click on the search box, type here reset, and here you will be getting an option of network reset. In the suggestion, you have to click on it. Network reset option will be up. Here you have to click on reset now, and again you have to click on yes, and after this will be resetting all the entire network settings. So make sure that you remember the password and the username of your Wi-Fi connection, because the next time when you will try to connect to your Wi-Fi, it will ask you the password and the SSID through which you want to connect it. And if you found this information helpful, you can consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and for any question, any problem, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.